Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best underwater video cameras. After hours of researching, we have selected these best underwater video cameras and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. GoPro HERO8. My profession is landscape photography, and I just started scuba diving. I combined my pastime and my profession to create the most entertaining career for me. Only a waterproof camera remained. Then I found the GoPro HERO8. Features: GoPro is the standard for waterproof cameras. It's always high quality. Each video is great, deep-diving friendly. Other cameras in this class don't have this depth. This camera works 33 feet underwater and on land. This GoPro prevents it with its 5-axis image stabilization. It makes working in tough situations interesting and adventurous while generating professional quality videos. It's a great camera for scuba divers that take underwater videos. This waterproof camera can reach 33 feet deep, deeper than others. Even at deep depth, it maintains high picture and video quality. Only GoPro can offer such high quality, cheap underwater cameras. Number 2. Olympus TG-6. This camera has made snorkeling considerably more enjoyable. Features: adjusting the light temperature is of utmost importance in underwater photography. The Olympus camera permits exactly this. Having several white balance options helps me to precisely alter the illumination. Magnificent zoom lens. This Olympus camera's zoom lens is excellent. When capturing video with an 8x zoom, the resolution remains the same. It's just fantastic for underwater photography and cinematography. Fortunately, this Olympus camera offers macro shooting modes that allow me to capture high-resolution movies of microscopic objects. Why is this camera the best? It is versatile and exceptionally user-friendly. It has a CMOS sensor, which offers it the sought-after high resolution even when submerged. Numerous white balance and macro shooting modes provide optimal alternatives for any situation. The zoom lens is an additional function that justifies my purchase of this camera. Conclusion: whether you are scuba diving or snorkeling, the Olympus TG6 is the ideal option. It offers exceptional high-definition video settings and comes with a unique video mode for versatility. Number 3. Nikon Coolpix W300. It is waterproof, freeze-proof, shockproof, and dustproof durability Olympus camera. This Nikon camera is extraordinarily small and portable. It has the highest photo and video quality. It captures 4K normal and time-lapse footage. Due to the back illuminated CMOS sensor, it performs admirably. The image quality of the 16.5 megapixel sensor is likewise superb. Accurate image stabilization. This camera offers picture stabilization on all 5 axes, which is even another feature to enjoy. It contains a 5x optical zoom lens, allowing you to choose the focus length for your photographs and films. At all focal lengths, the image stabilization is incredibly precise and constant. It provides optimal quality regardless of the surroundings. It is very durable and user-friendly. It includes time-lapse, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS, as well as every other function required for an outstanding underwater camera. It is also packed with modern technologies, like its image stabilization and backlit sensors. If you enjoy adventurous photography, particularly underwater photography, the Nikon Coolpix W300 is the best purchase you could make. It has a compact, lightweight, yet highly durable design and is capable of shooting both photographs and films with remarkable precision. Number 4. Olympus TG5. Features: this camera can handle harder situations. It's waterproof to 50 feet, dustproof, crushproof, shockproof, freeze-proof. It's durable, easy to carry, and user-friendly. It's the perfect underwater camera. This camera's normal mode has a 4.5/18 focal range with 2.0/4.9 aperture. It offers a 30-100 macro mode. I adore macro mode because I like getting close to sea animals. Nighttime live composite mode is helpful. Underwater autofocus. Its contrast detection autofocus mechanism is great for underwater photography. A tracking sensor makes capturing motion fun. Videos appear clean and professional. Why is it best? I've never seen a camera with better specs. Its lens can take macro and wide-angle images with varying apertures. It's waterproof, dustproof, and freeze-proof. It's great for underwater photography and filmmaking. Unmatched adaptability. It's durable, light, beginner-friendly, and has pro-grade underwater camera specs. Number 5. GoPro HERO10. Features: superb videos at 5.3K resolution. This is the most recent iteration of the GoPro camera. And wow, did they step up their game with it? Excellent front appearance. Other cameras in this category have yet to successfully incorporate a color screen. This most recent GoPro model features a front-facing color display that enables me to view my high-definition footage in its entirety. Slow-mo mode is available in 4K on this GoPro camera. With its superior image stabilization, slow motion works flawlessly and without any latency. What makes this camera the best? It boasts a small design and an excellent resolution. With the slight limits of every camera I've ever owned, I've been able to capture wonderful images of my beloved marine life. It can record in 5K, 3K, and 4K for slow motion. Intelligent image stabilization that's compatible with GoPro mounts and accessories. Also supported are USB and Wi-Fi. Such a small, waterproof camera should be capable of more. It has all the attributes of a heavy-duty DSLR or mirrorless camera while also being extremely portable and waterproof. Get a GoPro HERO10 now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.